Hey friends, it's your boy Joey. It's power wash day. Dad just took off. I got to move the big truck, but we're going to try and, make like this spot, that spot, this big oil stain, all my weeds there. We'll look a little better before winter. I'm not going to power wash the whole driveway. I got a new attachment for the power washer. We got time lapse going there. But we're gonna start off with blowing this thing, and then maybe some general cleanup out here. Maybe move Dad's soil into the backyard or into the garage. I don't know. Got to figure this. Wanted to do a scrap day, but my trailer is garbage. So I'm not sure what to do with that. The free tanning bed here, still sitting here. Got to figure out what I'm gonna do. We got Big Mike. And then we got just some general trash in here. Meow, meow. He's such a happy boy. He's got feline HIV. I don't know if I talked about that. I think I did in the last video, but whatever. But you can tell he's still happy boy. But yeah, I'm gonna get going on this. It's gonna take me a while, and I will probably do a little scan over once I move the truck, get all the leaves blown out of here, and get a better before and after. So we'll talk to you soon. All right, we're back. You can see it's pretty clean now, but like especially where my truck is, I'm just a drippy, silly kind of guy. Yeah, especially right here because I back in and I leak a lot of power steering fluid. I'm leaking transmission fluid. Some of it's probably oil. But here's the new thing we're gonna try. We also got this stuff, and we're gonna wet the driveway down a little bit first, and then pour this in spots. I tried it at my uncle's house, and it like really pulled that out of its concrete. It was really amazing. So yeah, I'm gonna get to doing that. Check, make sure that thing's still going, and yeah. Oh yeah, we put my waterproof steel toe boots on, so should be all right. It's about 70 degrees today too, but as you can tell, there's trees everywhere around this driveway, which I don't like. I wish we got some sun in this driveway, but whatever. It is what it is. Anyways. Well, good news, bad news. Bad news first. The P3 battery died. I'm gonna have to deal with that. I got most of the driveway done, which I wasn't gonna do, but that pressure turbo nozzle thing is amazing. I'll do a review probably in the springtime when I bust it out again. But yeah, obviously I didn't do here, but like, look at this. With the soap, the scrubbing, power washer. We'll come back out here when it's dry, of course, but like here, I didn't put any soap and I didn't spray as much because of that. So, you know, like that's still gross. There's that spot there that I didn't put any soap on. We come down here, like this main spot, we'll have to do a little bit more soap, like right in here. Probably another soapy job right there, but still, so much better. And here was the worst spot last year. I dropped my oil filter, and I think my drain pan overflowed. This takes a lot of oil. Definitely need to soap this up, but I'll probably do that in the springtime. So yeah, I'm really impressed. I'm pretty happy. This pressure washer, this new nozzle, amazing. Yeah, I'm going to try and pressure washer this thing over here, my rug, and yeah, I'll see how that goes. Okay, maybe I broke this. Try again. Here's the setup for the carpet washing. Who knew a flatbed would be good for this? Just clamp on the rail there. Not gonna film this, I just want to get it done. Getting hungry. Yeah, anyways, you'll see. Well, it's gonna need some soap and scrubbing, as you can see, like this little box here. But it looks better. I'll let it drip dry for a few hours. And yeah, we'll go from there.